So in this video, Kingpin 2, we're going to insert the holes in the Kingpin and we're going to fillet some of the edges. So let's go to drafting. And we want to draft a line across here so that we can find an endpoint for the hole that we're going to shift the user coordinate system by picking on the middle and picking on this face. You'll notice the XY now is lined up with the face, so we'll pick the center, let's move it to the endpoint there so we can see us drawing this line. So we'll go to line, specify first point, we've got midpoint O snaps on, we'll drag the mouse to the left and we'll type in half of 45, which is 22.5, enter to finish the line command. Now we'll go to circle, and the circle center point will be on the end point, and it has a radius of 6 mil, so we'll type in 6, enter, and now we'll go to modeling, and in the modeling we'll look at press pull, and we'll select the object or bounded area. This time we'll put the pick box inside the circle and pick, and then we'll move the mouse along and pick, and then hit escape to get out of press pull. And what that's done is it's cut a hole from the center of that circle through both of these. Now what we'll do is we'll do a fillet. We'll fillet an edge, so we'll fillet, we'll type in R for radius, and let's set the radius say to 5 mil, enter, and what we're going to do is we're going to fillet that edge and that edge and maybe this edge, enter, but we'll leave that last edge square. The reason for that is the steering arm is welded onto that. And let's fillet these edges because they're sharp, but we'll change the radius. So we'll go to fillet, R, enter to set the radius, and this time we'll go to 3, enter, and we'll fillet that edge, that edge, that edge, that edge, enter, and then we'll do a bit of a rotate, see what it looks like. Now when we filleted that, it's exposed our original drawing that we did, so we can get rid of that by erasing it. So we pick on that to erase, and also that line that's there, we no longer need that line, and also you'll see that we don't need, enter. So now we'll save it